viewers. Today, I, Shuchita Gupta, I am with you again with BTC Talk Show with a new faces and new topic. So, in in our behavior, we tend to be making an implicit distinction between two projects, getting other people to change and changing ourselves. We know we have many to develop in certain ways, but for now, our focus is on altering others. Today's topic is what is be the change? What is the role of be the change? How we can change? Now, I welcome my eminent guests with us. Our eminent guest, Mr. G. N. Var. He is an educationist. He is president of Student Welfare Private School Association, and he's very much renowned. And I can't speak more about him. If I start speaking, then whole show will complete with his uh, qualities only. So welcome, Varsa. We welcome to this show to you, and our viewers will listen to your views about why this change is required in the society. Our second guest is Mrs. Archana Saraf. She's again an educationist. She's working as HOD in Army School, Jammu, and she is a very well renowned. She is good debater and very good educationist. So she has lot of experience on why the change is required, and she's working on these things also. So today we have very eminent guests with us. So I just want to say that we make an evolution in our own behavior, conditional on evolutions in other people's. Mahatma Gandhi famously said, "You must be change you want to see in the world." In other words, although life changes are inevitable, we can also initiate personal change so we can rise the challenge and become a bigger and better person as a result. Mrs. Archana, I just want to ask you, what do you mean by change in life? Do you think that change is required in our lives? And do you like to be changed?
Good evening, everyone. At the outset, I would like to thank the team BTC for giving me an opportunity to talk, to be a part of this conversation where I could express my views. First of all, ma'am, I would like to compliment you that this platform is playing a crucial and vital role in changing the society. Now, coming to your question, you said that what is change? See, ma'am, from our childhood only, we know that change is something very permanent. It is quite natural. It is very permanent thing in life. And since from our evolution, agar aap dekhenge from the evolution itself of the humans, they were left with time to time they were left with only one option, that is change or get changed. So that is why change is very important. You have to adapt yourself to the changes. Here I would like to cite an example of important author Spencer Johnson. In his book, What Moods My Life, he has written that the change, he has elaborately discussed about the changes, that every human being has to adapt to new changes. That is the law of the nature. The better, the early you understand this fact, the more comfortable you will be in life. That is how it goes. You have to adopt yourself. You have to adopt new changes. You have to adapt to the changing environment. So it is the essence of the life.
Yeah. Thank you. You have explained very nicely the change. According to law, you said it is also that Newton's law that to every action there is equal
There
and
is, yeah, definitely. There is equal and opposite reaction.
opposite reaction. Yes. Mr. Var, according to be the change, if you want to be something, set an example. If you want a change in something, then change yourself. I just want means be the change. We always think that कुछ करना है तो मिसाल बनिए. अगर किसी चीज को चेंज चाहते हो तो पहले खुद को चेंज कीजिए.
चेंज कर.
Sir, throw some light on this. I want your views on this.
Look, ma'am, change in fact is life. Whatever is without change is lifeless. And I think we're talking in the context of education. Education is an evolution. It keeps on evolving. So whole human life, human thinking, everything in world keeps on changing, keeps on also evolving.
Evolving.
It's so very simple that if you are not ready to change, then obviously you will have no space in this universe. COVID-19 has given us a lesson that you cannot take everything for granted. You cannot take everything so lightly, so for granted that you see it has taught us how to change our lifestyle. It has taught us that if we play havoc with the environment, what could be the result? It had taught us how to change the pattern of our thinking. You see, COVID-19, in fact, has given us a lesson to this whole humanity, to the whole world, that look, you have to do many things which you may not have in mind. You have to be ready for those things which you may not foresee in view of your own preoccupations. So you are busy with so your own day-to-day so life, busy with preoccupations. But then since life is changing, since everything is changing, so you have to be ready to face extraordinary things in life. And in life, if you want to do something, do something, you have to be extraordinary. You have to tread a different path. You cannot tread a path which every person follows, treads, because if you go on treading on a path which used by all the people, every common people, obviously you won't be able to make any difference.
Thank you, Mr. Var. I think it is the best example. We can quote this example also, that whenever we are saying something to our children at home, many a times we receive a phone call. And what happens? We say that we don't want to talk with that person. And we say that, just say that Papa is not at home. So in this we are setting an example to our children to tell lie.
Definitely, definitely.
But when we say to our children that don't tell lie, how
Lie.
we can set? So all of, obviously, first of all, we have to set an example. So, Archana ji, I just want to ask you: is change always good, according to you?
See, Dr. Suchita, there is a big philosophy behind it. Change is always good. What we have seen throughout the evolution of the humans, we have seen that change has always been appreciated, and whatever the nature demands from us, we have to obey it. We have to change ourselves to the changing demands of the environment. So, but here I would like to tell one thing: change is quite essential, but continuity is also necessary. This important quote I want to quote: continuity in the sense that we want to continue, we want to introduce change in a sense which is good. Here we have to differentiate between the things. What is a positive change and what is a negative change? Agar positive change aap chahte hain, that means all good things you have to inculcate. But negative changes is like we have not many examples jahan par aap dekh rahe hain. We are forgetting our culture, we are forgetting our, we feel sometimes our children feel quite they feel somehow like they don't feel like talking in their regional languages. They have over a period of time we see there is an erosion of the ethics, there is an erosion of the moral values. So these changes are not appreciated at all. So change, in a sense, you have to bring those changes, you have to evolve, you have to, over a period of, you have to adapt to changes, but there you have to find a thin line of demarcation is there. What is good, that is to be what is the need of the hour, that is to be incorporated. But what is that basic? We should never forget about our roots. We should never take that thing ki ye hamara language has like I will tell you one important example about it, that the international language nowadays is English, and everyone feels privileged to talk in English, and some of the people are quite, they feel like, oh, what why to talk in Hindi, they're obsolete, they're outdated people who speak in Hindi or in their regional languages. So it is not that, it should not be like that, ठीक है ना? So we have to here, we have to be judgmental over this issue, what change to adopt and what not to adopt. So good change is always good for a society, but what basically erodes our ethics, what erodes our moral values, these changes should not be incorporated.
Yeah, very good. Very true, you said. And I think we need to introspect ourselves also.
Yes,
We
definitely,
need to
ma'am.
introspect
Introspection is,
ourselves.
we need
Yes.
not to blindly accept the changes because being
Yes.
influenced by the foreign culture or by the culture of the other people or by the rich. Generally,
Yes.
poor people get quite, you can say, infatuated towards the norms, towards the lifestyle of the people who are
Yes.
quite rich. But that should not be. That should be, you should
Yeah.
inculcate certain
We
things. You
need to
should,
introspect and see that what is right and
what
what
is
is
good.
wrong.
Yes, exactly. What is good and what need to be
Yes.
changed.
Yes.
We have
Yes.
to
Yes.
do that.
Yeah. Mr. War, बी द चेंज एक थ्योरी नहीं है, ये एक थेरेपी है जो इररिस्पॉन्सिव बिहेवियर को रिस्पॉन्सिव बिहेवियर में बदलती है और इररिस्पॉन्सिबल इंसान को रिस्पॉन्सिबल इंसान में बदलती है. आई जस्ट वांट कि व्हाट आर योर व्यूज अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस, इफ चेंज इज रिक्वायर्ड एंड वो कैसे इररिस्पॉन्सिबल बिहेवियर को रिस्पॉन्सिव बिहेवियर को रिस्पॉन्सिबल.
You see, Suchita ji, change is always in a context. Change cannot be without a context. You see, why one wants to change? Why one wants that there must be a change? Why? Because something in mind is there, that the way we are behaving, or the way our society is behaving,
Yeah.
or the path we are treading, is obviously not going to contribute towards our improvement for future. So change is always perceived, that a human being always wants improvement. It's quite natural. So to improve, he has to change. He has to unlearn many things. He has to learn new things. He has to
Yeah.
see new things as in the future, and accordingly he has to make himself to see that yes, that improvement is possible only when one is ready to change his mindset. Okay. The second thing is that you see, change cannot be in air, it cannot be in vacuum. Change itself has to have a direction.
Yes.
For that you need to understand that the path you tread, that the way you behave needs an improvement. First up thing is self-realization, as Archana ji rightly said, that introspection. We have to first introspect in ourselves, in our thinking, in our lives. We have to understand that something is going wrong, and it's going wrong badly. So we need to improve it. And for the improvement, obviously change is needed. And for a change, we have to change our mindset, we have to change our thinking pattern, we have to change our behavior, and then we have to ready to face this change. And obviously, if we are not ready to change ourselves, then natural checks and balances are there. They will make
Obviously,
the change.
obviously. Very true, Mr. Vaj, you have said. And I can correlate it with this thing also, that supposingly, if at this age we do not change, now there is a generation gap with the children whom we are teaching. And if we do not change ourselves, we cannot survive in this atmosphere. So
Not
obviously,
at all.
change is required. We require that change. Archana ji, I just want to, in correlation with what Mr. Var has said, I just want to ask you one question. Like as a teacher, because you are working as a teacher, you have lot of interaction with the students. How a person, a society, and whole of the nation can be benefited by this change?
Very good question, ma'am. Very desired question, I would say. See, generally we end up saying that there are a lot many problems in the society, hundreds and millions of the problems, chaos is all around, and how if I take an initiative, how it is going to help the world, and we stop reacting. हम अधिकतर यही कहते हैं कि हम मेरे एक प्रयास से क्या होगा, तो इट इज नॉट गोइंग टू, प्रॉब्लम्स इतनी ज्यादा है कि इसमें कुछ सुधार अब नहीं हो सकता, वी एंड अप with that only. But this is not the right attitude. What we have to do, you have to start it from yourself only. You do your bit. I would like to quote an important यहाँ पर एक मैं स्वामी विवेकानंदा का एक quote यहाँ पर cite करना चाहती हूँ. He had beautifully said that you need not to change world. What you need to change yourself only.
Yes,
because
Gandhiji has
because
also said the same.
society is formed by whom? Society is we the people. We have formed the society. The norms, the ethics, the morals which are there in the society, they're all being set by us. तो अगर हम अपने में change लाते हैं, if we are changing ourselves, और definitely it is going to, अगर मैं example देती हूँ, अगर मैं अपने आप को change करती हूँ, all those people who come in touch with me, it should not be like that we talk volumes and volumes about it, but we have to set the example. Our words, our actions should speak greater
Yes.
than our talks and all that. So when we inculcate some change through your actions, it should transmit to other person. From there, from two, if you are able to transmit your ideologies, your way of life to one or three person, these three persons will transmit it to another three, 4 person. Obviously, over a period of the time, you will see it is not that overnight magic will happen, but over a period of the time, you will see, obviously, there will be a change in the society. अपने घर से अगर आप start करेंगे moral values, if I am not having any moral value, I am not wishing, I am not giving respect to my parents or to the elders in the family, how can I expect others to do? Because you are being watched, hundreds and millions of the eyes every day are watching over you.
Yeah.
If you move in a society, everybody is watching you. तो जो आप जैसा आपका व्यवहार होगा, वैसा ही आप सोसाइटी को एक संदेश देते हैं अपनी एक्शन से ही खाली. तो आई स्ट्रांगली बिलीव दैट अगर एक इनिशिएटिव हम लेते हैं सिंपली टू चेंज आवरसेल्फ, that will over a period of the time change the society and as a whole nation, and then world will change.
Obviously, that we cannot blame anybody, right?
Nobody is to be blamed. We have to be,
it is
ma'am,
very-
very less judgmental. We need not to be judgmental that, oh, I'm doing this and it is all. Generally, what we do, we end up having a politics on the over a cup of the tea, and then we stop it there only. Then nobody bothers to take action. Certain actions are required. We need to take a concerted efforts in these directions. Then only this thing can
you
be
know,
done.
like why under this BTC talk show we are taking such topics, because many of the viewers, they are following us. So in house, so we sit and we
Definitely,
discuss
ma'am,
on
you
these
are
things.
doing a wonderful job. Definitely, I would like to extend my heartiest congratulations to the
Thank
team,
you.
to the team BTC for doing such a wonderful job. At
Yeah.
least we are in a position to say that we are doing our bit. हम
Yeah,
कुछ संदेशा देना चाहते हैं और कर रहे हैं सोसाइटी
that
को.
is what I'm saying, na, ki, through this platform, many of the viewers, they are watching us, so obviously these things will go to them, and we want that.
Definitely,
It is
ma'am,
well
definitely.
said, it is well said that action speaks louder,
Louder
than
than
words.
words. Definitely,
So
ma'am. Yeah.
obviously what we are doing, people are watching us, so we have to follow that.
May not be
Thank you.
millions, may not be lakhs, may it be hundreds only. चलो एक चीज तो हमने किया, we have taken initiative to even change 100 people.
Yes,
That is what, that is our strength.
Yes,
That is our strength.
Yes. Mr. Ward, I just want to ask you, because you have a very rich and good experience, and I have heard a lot about your deeds, what you are doing for the education and for the society also. And what is the biggest change you have made in your life? We want to listen so that our viewers can also listen to you. What is the biggest change you have made in your life? Was it a good change or a bad change?
देखिए, ये कहना कि जो है what change जब मैं अपने बात की करूं क्या क्या चेंज मैंने अपने में लाई है, देन यू सी दुनिया की इतनी बड़ी आबादी है, इसमें एवरीवन हैज अ स्टोरी, एवरीवन हैज अ पर्सपेक्टिव। लेकिन सवाल ये है कि ये दुनिया का जो स्ट्रक्चर है, देखिए इट स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम अ फैमिली।
Yeah.
आपकी फैमिली, इसके बाद सोसाइटी, इसके बाद आपकी स्टेट, इसके बाद आपकी कंट्री, इसके बाद वर्ल्ड। जैसा घर बिहेव करेगा ऐसी सोसाइटी बिहेव करेगी,
Society,
कंट्री भी
definitely,
ऐसी और वर्ल्ड
definitely,
भी
sir.
ऐसी। सो यू सी इफ देयर आर contradictions in a family, if there is hypocrisy in a family, it will reflect in a society, then it will reflect at national level, at country level, and then it will be reflected at international level. और जैसा मैंने अभी कहा कि फिर उसके बाद एक नेचुरल चेक एंड बैलेंस होता है। मैंने अपने में जो बड़ी चेंज जो मैं देखता हूँ वो ये है कि इन हालात में, खासकर इस कोविड के दौरान, जो एक सोच मुझे मिली वो ये है कि देयर इज अ नीड टू इम्प्रूव द वे वी थिंक, देयर इज अ नीड टू इम्प्रूव द वे वी बिहेव, एंड देयर इज अ नीड टू इम्प्रूव द वे वी एक्ट। देखिए व्हेन वी स्पीक, कहते हैं ना कि बातों से बात वजूद में आती है। व्हेन यू स्पीक, जो आपके सामने वाला है वो भी बोलना सीखेगा, बट एक्शन बिगेट्स एक्शन। अल्टीमेटली इट्स द एक्शन वी स्पीक्स। और एक्शन कब अच्छी होगी? जब आपका दिमाग, जब आपका जहन, जब आपका दिल चेंज होगा, जब आपके जब आपके अंदर में चेंज आएगी, इट विल स्पीक थ्रू एक्शंस। एंड आई हैव बीन ट्राइंग myself to see that whatever I think is good, does it reflect in my actions? That is self introspection. And at this stage, mostly one thinks that how good I can do, how better I can do, or how a good I or how a good change I can bring in. So ये जो एहसास होता है ना, ये जो एक जिसको कहते हैं सेल्फ कॉन्शियसनेस, ये स्लोली स्लोली आ रही है। तो आपके इस किस्म के प्रोग्राम से क्या होता है कि यू स्पीक समटाइम रैंडमली योर हार्ट, योर माइंड। तो इससे क्या होता है कि जो है, एक तो अपने आप को समझने में मदद मिलती है, दूसरा इससे दूसरों के ख्यालात जानने में भी मदद मिलती है।
Very true. Very
Yeah.
true. So आप सोचते हैं कि ये चेंज अच्छी है?
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.
Who is to blame? We read in papers and hear it on air of killing and stealing and crime everywhere. We sigh, we say, we notice the trend. This is the young generation. We read it will end. But can we be sure that it's true? It's their fault only. Are we less guilty who place in their way too many things that leads them astray? Means we are always blaming our young, our youth that they are doing something wrong. Are we also guilty that we are doing something? This is a very good point, so that's why I just recited. Archana ji, I just want to ask you, what is the biggest change you would like to make in your life? Because again, I will correlate the same thing. You are in a school, you are associated with the students. How you can set yourself as an example for the students so that they can learn something, that whatever, because we are always blaming the youth is doing this thing, the youth is doing this thing. Why we should blame them only? Why not we change ourselves and we make an example for them? So how you can correlate this?
Yes, definitely, ma'am. Like we already had a discussion over it earlier, also that what change we want to see in a society, we first have to adopt that change.
Yeah.
We have to show the society that you have adopted that change. See, I now I see myself as a change in this change scenario. I see myself as a agent of the change. I would like to present myself as an agent of the change. whatever new things I am incorporating, whatever new things I am adopting, I want to hence onwards I want to see myself as an agent of the change. I would like to help the people who are downtrodden or who are disadvantaged people. I would like to really like to help them. जिस तरीके से I would like to set an example for the other members of the society with this. तो जो मैं करना चाहती हूँ कि जब तक मैं खुद से नहीं करूंगी तो others are not going to follow that. It is simply जब तक आप खुद से नहीं करेंगे, जैसे आप change, you have to change. You first of all you have to be the change what you want to see in the society. You have to change yourself according to the changing needs of the society. जो आप अगर आप नहीं कर रहे हैं as a teacher, see I'm every day I'm going school and hundreds of the kids are they see me, they watch me all the day round. So if I am doing some wrong, obviously they will also they will also take that thing from me. So if I have to set an example, I first of all I have to be quite a teacher with good moral values, a person with good ethnic values, a person with good knowledge. Then only these things can be later on transferred to the other generation. So as a person, it's not only teacher, as a person, whosoever lives in the society, they all have to play an important role. ठीक है ना, so that the जो coming generation है, they would incorporate all these things from us. So very important. Every individual has an important role to play. Be it a
Miss,
common person, be it a teacher, be it a businessman. कोई भी, जैसे अभी इस सर ने बोला कि पहले you have to change yourself because from the family the people keep on moving in the society, they frame the society, then these societies over a period of the time became countries, and countries largely form this world. So this is very important. You have
okay,
to
Mrs. Archana, from your this question only, something came in my mind that many a times we listen, we all are educational sitting over here. Many a times we listen from many of the principals when sitting together that we don't give admission to those students who are below average in our school, right? So what we do, we just kick them out and we don't want to give them admission. So I don't think, as being a principal, I don't have that attitude. I always think this thing that we should give admission to all the students and we should focus on the last bencher.
find.
And do you think that this thing can be a good example if we all the principals, we all the teachers, we start thinking in this way that we are here for the society to impart education to them?
This is, ma'am, this is quite disheartening. I am listening it from you that some of the principals are doing this thing, but otherwise, what I will tell about my organization, there all the criterias are been altogether set. But in most of the private schools, although I have experience of working with the private schools also, this all is being done. ऐसा होता है, but as an educationist, as an educator, being the principals, being the educators, what thing they are giving to society, that means they're only concerned about the monetary benefits. So
Monetary as
monetary
well as
benefits,
the result of the
yes,
school will be
yes,
good.
when this thing comes in their mind, when you are looking for only monetary benefits, then there is hardly any question of the social benefit. Those people who are only involved in the monetary benefit, they are least bothered about the other benefits of the society. Like they're least bothered, they're only worried about their regular जो उनका income आ रहा है from the students through the pays and all that. And over the recent years, the recent times, only 2-3 months, we have seen that even some teachers are being not paid salaries.
Yeah.
This is something very shocking. So being an educator, how can one do that? Educationist अगर ये कर रहे हैं, this raises a serious ethical question.
Yeah, that is why I raised this question over here, because we want to convey a message that we should not think in this way. This is again the big change.
Yeah, this
we
is
can bring.
altogether wrong, man. This is
a big
altogether
change.
wrong.
Yes.
How can an educator who is a person who is running an institution, who cater to the society, who's providing education to the society, calling themselves so-called educators, how can they? This is quite beyond understanding.
Okay.
How can they
Thank
do
you.
that?
Thank you for your views. I am really liking your views. and it is very good. We spend a lot of time trying to change other people. There is, after all, so much wrong with them. They are selfish, arrogant, bullying, weak, cold, needy, and so on. So we try to point this out and often meet with resistance, denial, or sheer indifference. This can be very agitating and hence renders us cross and serve. Mr. Var, I want to ask you, like the people who are very rigid, they don't want to change themselves. What happened to people who find it difficult to change?
You mean
I
so
want
why?
that some people, they are very rigid, they are arrogant, they don't want, and n number of times you tell them this is wrong, this is wrong. What will happen to those people?
You see, it all depends upon self consciousness, upon upbringing, upon the society, upon the values. Uh,
Because
एक
my question is
छोटी
that
सी
the people
एक
who will
छोटी सी
change.
मैं
हाँ
सुनीता
जी.
जी आपके इस पूरे क्वेश्चन को सम अप करने के लिए गिव ए सिंपल एग्जांपल.
हाँ जी.
बलराज मनरा का नाम आपने सुना होगा.
हम्म.
ग्रेट स्कॉलर, राइटर, ऑथर. वो बचपन में बड़े जो है वो बहुत ही जिसको कहते हैं हाई स्टैंडर्ड लाइफ वो जिया. उसके बाद जब उसके आखिरी दिन बुढ़ापे में वो बहुत ही गुर्बत में रह रहा था. तो एक जर्नलिस्ट उससे गया इंटरव्यू लेने के लिए, मेरा दोस्त था. तो उसने उससे एक क्वेश्चन पूछा कि बलराज साहब, आपने तो दुनिया के बहुत आपने अपनी लाइफ में बहुत कुछ देखा. यू हैव seen lot of things, lot of luxuries, and you enjoyed life like anything. इवन आप दरियागंज में आपकी पसंद पे चाय पीने के लिए जाते थे, जो उन दिनों बहुत ही कीमती जब माना जाता था. क्या आपको इस वक्त अफसोस नहीं है कि आप इस वक्त बहुत ही कसम पुरसी की हालत में हैं? यू आर लिविंग ए वेरी मिजरेबल लाइफ. तो बलराज मनरा ने जो जवाब दिया, इट सम्स अप दिस होल डिस्कशन. उन्होंने बताया कि देखिए, दुनिया की इतनी बड़ी आबादी है. दुनिया की आबादी अगर 4 अरब है, उसमें कितने लोग ऐसे हैं, व्हाट इज द नंबर ऑफ पीपल जो अपने जमीर के सामने शर्मिंदा नहीं है? What is the number of people who are not ashamed before their own conscience, and I am one among them. सवाल है कि दुनिया की जो आबादी है, the population of the world, majority क्या है? Majority is treading a path which is against humanity.
Yeah, very true.
हम जो चेंज की बात कर रहे हैं. The question is that we are hypocrites. We have double standards. We say something, we do something. हमें अभी सेल्फ रियलाइजेशन ही नहीं है. अभी देखिए, ये जो कोविड की सिचुएशन जो बनी, अब इस कोविड ने हमें इस सोचने पे मजबूर किया कि लोग, ये यूनिवर्स जो है ग्लोब इज गवर्न्ड बाय सम सिस्टम. और अगर इस सिस्टम के साथ इफ यू डू वायलेशन, obviously you will have to pay the price. और आप देखिए उन्हीं चीजों को जिनकी हमारे पास कोई अहमियत नहीं थी, now COVID has made us to realize that look, things which you took so lightly were so indispensable for you. और इतना ही नहीं, बल्कि इसने बता दिया कि देखें, unless you connect yourself with the creator of this universe, unless you connect yourself with the nature, you cannot prosper. आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते. एंड इफ यू गो अगेंस्ट द लॉज ऑफ नेचर, देन इट विल नॉट फॉरगिव यू. ये आपको माफ नहीं करेगा. जो हमें इस वक्त नेचर ने दिखाया कि देखो, जिन चीजों को आप जो है जिंदगी में कोई अहमियत नहीं देते थे, ना वो वक्त आया कि यू रियलाइज कि वो चीजें आपकी जिंदगी के लिए कितनी इंपॉर्टेंट थी. दूसरी बात जो हमें समझना चाहिए कि अनलेस एंड अनटिल एक आदमी में हिपोक्रेसी खत्म नहीं होती है, वो कितना ही भाषण दे दे, उन चीजों का कोई असर नहीं होगा. आप मुझे बताइए, जो ये खुदा के ईशदूत जो अवतार है, उनकी बातों में क्यों असर होता था? why whatever they used to say, people used to follow that. Why? Because they had
used
a
to follow
character.
that.
They
Yes,
had a
true,
character.
very true.
What they said, they meant. And
They meant
we are the people who do something, who says something, and this is the behavior at individual level, at society level, at country level, and at global level. देखिए आज जो है बात की जाती थी कि look in the West, look in the developed countries, there is no corruption, but look वहां पे जब करप्शन की बात आती है, there is no corruption, it's at the public level, it's in the public services. लेकिन जब उनके नेशनल इंटरेस्ट की बात करते हैं, they are biased, they are hypocrites, यानी जो स्टैंडर्ड्स जो है वो डिफरेंट है. एक के लिए अगर वो पब्लिक लाइफ में करप्ट है, दूसरा नेशनल लेवल, दूसरा आदमी जो वो नेशनल लेवल पे या नेशनल इंटरेस्ट की आड़ में जो है उसमें हिपोक्रेसी है, अच्छा उसमें करप्शन है. यही वजह है कि इस वक्त हम जो देख रहे हैं कि पूरी दुनिया में जो हम कंट्राडिक्शन इस वक्त देख रहे हैं, जो हम देख रहे हैं कि हर एक इस वक्त समझ रहा है कि जिस डगर पे दुनिया जा रही है, it's not the path which can benefit humanity, it's the path which जो suicidal है. अब देखिए इस वक्त क्या वजह है, किसी ने बहुत अच्छी बात कही है कि I will take world civilized only when the defense budget is lower than the education budget. आप पूरी दुनिया का बजट देख लीजिए, हर कंट्री का बजट देख लीजिए, एजुकेशन बजट भी देख लीजिए, डिफेंस बजट भी देख लीजिए. बंदूकों के लिए क्या बजट है और कलम किताब के लिए क्या बजट है. यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड कि ह्यूमन रेस किस रास्ते पे जा रही है. सो दैट्स व्हाई वी फाइंड कॉन्ट्राडिक्शंस, बिकॉज़ व्हाट वी से वी डोंट मीन इट.
या ऑब्वियसली वो तो है ही है. ये अपना जो है सर, आई जस्ट वांट टू से कि फॉर दिस एजुकेशन फील्ड तो वी आर बीइंग लाइक डिप्राइव्ड ऑफ एवरीथिंग.
देखिए अगर आप देखें, सी एजुकेशन इज कंप्लीटली इन अ मेस.
यस,
एजुकेशन जब आप ऑस्ट्रेलिया की बात करते हैं या जब आप वेस्ट की बात करते हैं, उनका जो इंटरनल एजुकेशन सिस्टम है उनकी सोसाइटी के लिए दैट इज अ सोशल सर्विस. लेकिन जब वही एजुकेशन बाहर ले जाते हैं, वो उसको एज ए बिजनेस ले जाते हैं. यानी बाहर के मुल्कों के लिए उनकी एजुकेशन बिजनेस है, अपने मुल्क के लिए उनकी एजुकेशन जो है सोशल सर्विस है. और यहाँ देखिए जिस कंट्री में हम रह रहे हैं, यहाँ पे यहाँ तो अब डिमार्केशन ही खत्म नहीं होती है. हमें पता नहीं है कि कहाँ से प्राइवेट स्टार्ट होता है, कहाँ से गवर्नमेंट स्टार्ट होता है. इतना मैस है कि आप देखिए यूनिवर्सिटी लेवल देख लीजिए, स्कूल लेवल देख लीजिए, एवरीथिंग इज डिजेनरेटिंग, डिग्रेडिंग, एंड इट्स
for this also we require some change ना.
देखिए चेंज के दो तरीके हैं. या आप बेस से चेंज स्टार्ट कर लीजिए जो कभी आते नहीं. चेंज हैज टू कम फ्रॉम टॉप. Change has to come from top. If we keep on changing from the base, it will take years together, and maybe in our lifetime we won't be able to do it. So if we want a change, and a rapid change and a fast change, that it has to come from the top. I remember, remember a scholar from Punjab University, Dr. D.C. Saxena, he used to say that if higher judiciary is honest, lower judiciary automatically will be honest. If higher judiciary is corrupt, lower judiciary will automatically be
corrupt. Yes, definitely.
We see it in all spheres of life. When the head of the country, head of the state is not honest, how you can expect the public to be honest? So we have to start from the top, not from the bottom.
Yes, very true, sir. Mrs. Archana, I just want to now come to here because whenever we see and listen to some these talk shows or webinars and all, everywhere corona is going on. So I always say that now we have to leave this corona. If we will leave this corona, then only the corona will run away. Right?
Yes.
Definitely,
yes,
we
ma'am.
need to change.
Exactly.
We need to change ourselves to survive with this corona in a very positive way.
Positive way, that too.
So, अभी मैं आपके पास आ रही हूँ कि कोरोना के इस संकट के टाइम में हम आपसे ये पूछना चाहते हो, क्योंकि आपने भी अभी बी द चेंज भी ज्वाइन किया है, हम बी द चेंज के प्लेटफॉर्म से क्या एक बेस्ट एग्जांपल सेट कर सकते हैं जिसको हमारे देश के लोग फॉलो करें, समाज हमारा फॉलो करे और हम इस कोरोना की प्रॉब्लम से बहुत मजबूती से लड़ सकें. ऐसा क्या एग्जांपल सेट करें?
वेल मैम, जैसे हम अभी तो यू आर ऑलरेडी सेटिंग अ वंडरफुल एग्जाम, लाइक डूइंग एक वंडरफुल जॉब आप कर रहे हैं बाय ऑर्गेनाइजिंग दीज टॉक शोज. एटलीस्ट यू आर मेकिंग योर बिट to make people aware. Lot many times you are discussing about lot many things by which people at least are getting some knowledge about how to cope with this thing. Second, as we already this discussion I had already discussed with this BTC team, it has been discussed that we are now planning, like some of the things we are planning to have, that one-to-one interaction with these disadvantaged people, jo downtrodden section of the society hai, that we are also, this team is, I have come to know that recently I have joined, but I have come to know from our state head that we are going to organize some of the camps, some of the this initiative is being taken where these people who are downtrodden, who are really in need of the help, and we will be providing them with this help. Fine. Then third is that one of the important initiative जो हम कर सकते हैं, जो हम set कर सकते हैं through this be the change, जो डिजर्विंग है, ऑल दोज पीपल हु आर इन नीड ऑफ बुक्स. देखिए, मैं आपको एक चीज बताती हूँ. आफ्टर ज्वाइनिंग दिस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, I to strongly see myself as a changed person. These days, you know that all the education जो है, it is going on online, सब कुछ online
Yeah.
जा रहा है, and all those people who are having the gadgets and all that, they are able to do that. But what about those people who are living in झुग्गी झोंपड़ीज में जो रहते थे, दो थ्रू सर्व शिक्षा अभियान, जो गवर्नमेंट स्कूल से एजुकेशन लेते थे, ठीक है ना, जो लेते थे एजुकेशन, एंड दे वर बीइंग बेनिफिटेड आउट ऑफ इट. व्हाट आई डिड पर्सनली एज अ मेंबर ऑफ द बी दे चेंज, what I did, I visited that area personally, and almost all 10 to 20 students, I'm every day in the evening, I'm giving them education free of cost,
That's
so
very
that
good.
this,
Very good.
yes,
Clap for
this
you.
gap
Very
should
good.
be, this gap should be filled. मैम, बोलने से, मैंने बोला आपको, वॉल्यूम्स ऑफ, यू कैन स्पीक वॉल्यूम्स, बट इवन ए सिंगल आपका इनिशिएटिव कैन डू वंडर्स, ठीक है ना. अब
Obviously,
जैसे
obviously.
इनिशियली इट वाज ओनली, आई वाज नॉट दैट लाइक दैट कि सारे बच्चे आ गए. इनिशियली आई स्टार्टेड विद 5, देन लेटर ऑन उनका इनहिबिशन खत्म हो गया, उनका जो फियर था वो खत्म हो गया. देन नेक्स्ट डे आई गॉट 2 more kids. फिर आहिस्ता आहिस्ता, नाउ इट डेज आई कैन प्राउडली से दैट एटलीस्ट आई एम डूइंग माय बिट. 50 on 15 students are there, ठीक है ना. तो
Okay, good.
ऐसा हम जो ये बी
That's
द
good.
चेंज में हम कर रहे हैं. नाउ वी आर अवेयरिंग पीपल अबाउट वन ऑफ द मोर इम्पोर्टेंट प्रॉब्लम जो हमारा है. इट इज अबाउट द this जो drastically dropping down level of the water. So we are sensitizing this issue, this sensitization which has been done by BTC. It is amazing, it is wonderful job which has been done. तो इस चीज के बारे में हम सेंसिटाइज आने वाले दिनों में, वी विल डेफिनेटली run a campaign for this, how to sensitize people about this saving the water or using water very judiciously. So these are some of the important initiatives time to time which everybody will see that we are going to definitely take, and this will definitely help society.
Obviously, because see, if we do all these things, then only we can reform the life of the people.
Yes,
First of all, we
definitely.
have to reform. And you are doing a wonderful thing you have told me. I must congratulate you.
Thank
And
you, ma'am.
yeah, and one more thing is like from this platform only, I want to convey this thing also that as we had planned about our workshops and all, now what we are planning, because still the schools will not open, we are going to start with the online workshops. So
Fine.
online workshops will be given to all the people, because so that this is our free time. We must utilize this free time in a positive way. We must do something good to
Yes,
change the things.
definitely. Something very
Yes,
good we should do. What is not so far being done? What is
yeah.
not so far being done, we need to do that.
Because now Mr. Var will also be with us. And okay, Mr. Var, I just want to ask you, what is the impact of COVID on education? Because education is being like it has got so much of hindrances. We no doubt we are giving them online education. And what is the impact of COVID on education?
So, because of COVID-19, now there's a paradigm shift in our thinking pattern
Yeah,
vis-a-vis education. देखिए, इस वक्त पोजीशन ये है कि जब हम देखते हैं जो इंडिया की बात, जब चाइना में कोविड स्टार्ट हो गया तो चाइना में नो डाउट स्कूल्स गॉट क्लोज्ड उन एरियाज में, बट स्कूलिंग कंटिन्यूड। उनका ऑनलाइन सिस्टम ऑलरेडी उतना स्ट्रांग था कि उतना ज्यादा फर्क वहां नहीं पड़ा, दे वर एबल टू कोप विद ऑनलाइन। बट इन इंडिया हम अभी इनिशियल स्टेज में थे, जब कोविड सिचुएशन बनी तो हमने हाथ पैर फैलाने शुरू किए कि वी शुड गो ऑनलाइन एंड वी शुड सी कि बेस्ट प्रैक्टिस क्या अवेलेबल है ताकि हम अपने बच्चों तक ये फायदा पहुंचाएं। बट अगेन हैंडीकैप ये था कि जैसे अभी मैम ने कहा कि एक बहुत बड़ा तबका ऐसा है जिनको एक्सेस नहीं है इन चीजों। कितने ऐसे बच्चे हैं who don't have access to internet, to smartphones। तो सीधी सी बात है, एक बहुत बड़ा तबका। एजुकेशन बेसिकली है कि इसमें डिस्क्रिमिनेशन होना जो है नहीं होना चाहिए, डिस्पैरिटी नहीं होनी चाहिए, बट ये ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन जो है इट्स टू द एडवांटेज ऑफ पीपल हु कैन अफोर्ड। So people who are not able to afford are at a very disadvantageous position, which is against the basic ethics of education, which is against the constitution. अब कोविड की वजह से नाउ ऑल टुगेदर एजुकेशन के बारे में हमारा कॉन्सेप्ट ही अब चेंज हो गया। वो ये अभी तक वी यूज टू थिंक इन टर्म्स ऑफ कंटेंट, जो आज तक हम बात करते थे वो कंटेंट डिलीवरी होती थी, वी गो बाय सिलेबस एंड ऑल दैट। But now the situation has forced us to think in terms of concept delivery. From content delivery, we have to move towards concept delivery. And from activity-based learning, we have to move towards project-based learning. Because there's no way out except to do community schooling. देखिए, हमें अब एजुकेशन को 4 वॉल्स में नहीं देखना है इन ए क्लासरूम, और हम ये भी जानते हैं कि शेक्सपियर और न्यूटन किसी एयर कंडीशन स्कूल से नहीं निकले हैं, वो 4 वॉल स्कूल, उनकी कोई फॉर्मल एजुकेशन थी ही नहीं। सो वी हैव टू थिंक एजुकेशन एज ए रेवोल्यूशन नाउ, एजुकेशन एज ए मूवमेंट नाउ। वी हैव टू रीच एवरी डोर विद द बेसिक पर्पस। अब इस चीज की जरूरत है कि वी हैव टू मेक फैसिलिटेटर्स, वी हैव टू मेक रिसोर्स पर्संस एट कम्युनिटी लेवल, and we have to reorient our exam center. It can't be now कि आप जो है 5 स्टार जो कमरों में बैठ के ना आप पेपर सेट करेंगे, सिस्टम को इवैल्यू करेंगे। Now you have to reach the ground, you have to work on the ground. पूरा एग्जाम सिस्टम, पूरा टीचिंग पेडागोजी, it has to be connected with the community so that एजुकेशन एक मूवमेंट बने, एक रेवोल्यूशन बने, it is not confined to 4 walls of regular teaching. दूसरी बात यह है कि बहुत सारे चैलेंज जो हमारे सामने इस कोविड जो सिचुएशन बनी इससे आगे, वो ये है कि हम मजबूर हो गए टू रीथिंक, टू रीलर्न मैनी थिंग्स जिनके बारे में अब हम सोचते नहीं थे। अब इस वक्त जो है इतना शिफ्ट हो रहा है कि हर एक इंडिविजुअल लेवल पे कोशिश कर रहा है कि आई शुड बी एबल टू डू समथिंग यूनिक, और आई शुड बी एबल टू कंट्रीब्यूट समथिंग, बिकॉज लाइफ के बारे में भी कॉन्सेप्ट अब बहुत हद तक चेंज हो गया ना। वही आदमी जो कल तक अपनी लग्जरीज के बिना पे एक सोशल स्टेटस की बात करता था, अब उसका सोशल स्टेटस कहाँ रहा, उसका लाइफस्टाइल कहाँ रहा। It has brought a huge change in terms of thinking, in terms of behaving, and in terms of our day-to-day routine. इन हालात में जो इस वक्त सिचुएशन बनी हुई है, जरूरत इस चीज की है कि we should now reorient ourselves, we should introspect in ourselves to see that इस नेचर के साथ कहीं न कहीं से हमसे उतनी बड़ी गलती हुई है जिसकी सजा हमें मिल रही है। देखिए, जो इस वक्त ये पैंडेमिक है, रादर एपिडेमिक इस वक्त जो है, क्योंकि स्लोली अब इसके सॉल्यूशन भी अब लोकल सतह पे ही देखने हैं, कम्युनिटी लेवल पे ही देखने हैं। अब यू कैन सो यू कांट हैव अ फार्मूला, you can't have a solution at global level, at country level. The solutions have to be at the local level. So importance of locality, importance of community is gaining momentum day by day. As I said earlier, this COVID situation has made us to think what we were not ready to think. It has made us to behave, to change, which we were not earlier ready to. सो इन हालात में इसको एज ए अगर हम एक अपॉर्चुनिटी मान के चलें, it has given a new definition to human life, to human thinking, that look, no one can exist in vacuum, no one can exist in isolation. We have to collaborate, we have to cooperate, and we have to show empathy. Then and only then we can save ourselves.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very true, very true. So we require to have this change. If we'll not have change, otherwise education will be submerged there only. It will
You see,
continue.
अगर आज हम if you are so if you we are not ready to change, and if we are not ready to change our thinking towards education, you see, as I said, that we will be heading towards a catastrophe. एक छोटी सी मिसाल मैं आपको देता हूँ. अभी जैसे मैम ने कहा कि वो गरीब बच्चे उनका क्या होगा जिनके पास जो है वो चीजें अवेलेबल नहीं है जो अमीर बच्चों के पास हैं. बल्कि मैं आपको बताऊंगा, इस देश में, इस सोसाइटी में सबसे अमीर स्पेंडिंग वाइज एक गरीब बच्चा है, और सारी सियासत जो इसी गरीब बच्चे पे हो रही है. टेल मी, इन ए गवर्नमेंट स्कूल और in a centrally government sponsored school, we spend not less than 11,000 per child per month.
Yeah.
And in private sector, per month, per child spending is not more than average. I'm talking of is not more than 1,200, because it starts from 300, 400 up to 3,000, 4,000, 5,000.
Yes, outlay plan on
Yeah,
education is
you
like
see,
that.
and then see the drawback, जो एक बहुत बड़ा नुक्स है. जब हम सरकार का पैसा यूज करते हैं, हम समझते हैं फ्री है. जब हम अपने जेब से खर्च करते हैं, कहते हैं कि ये प्राइवेट मामला है, ये पैसा लेते हैं. कोई नहीं पूछता है कि सरकार के पास 12,000 करोड़ का बजट है, ये हमारा पैसा है जो जीएसटी की सूरत में, टैक्सेस की सूरत में हमारे जेब से जाता है.
Exactly, sir.
और
Exactly.
और ये जो इस वक्त हमारी कंट्री लेवल पे प्रधानमंत्री बार बार कहते हैं कि हमें डीबीटी अपनाना चाहिए, डायरेक्ट बेनिफिट ट्रांसफर करना चाहिए. मुझे बताइए, अगर यही पैसा जो गरीबों के नाम पे यूज हो रहा है, अगर वही 11-12 हजार बचे गरीब के अकाउंट में डाला जाए, he will be able to buy gadgets, he will be able to have high class education. But the thing is that hypocrisy is everywhere. जब पब्लिक पैसा है तो फ्री है, जब किसी एक आदमी के जेब से जाता है तो लगता है कि एक आदमी की जेब से, प्राइवेट आदमी से जाता है.
थैंक यू. बहुत अच्छा आपने बताया सर. अर्चना जी, now again coming to you, I just want to ask that this during this COVID-19, what is the role of teachers in education? How they are talking? Because when I see my teachers and other schools teachers also, when they are working like anything, they are doing their work. What otherwise they used to spend 6 hours or 8 hours in the school, and now they are spending 24 hours because they are worried about their students and all. What is the role of, according to you?
See, ma'am, the role of the teacher has altogether changed because of this pandemic. See, and you will definitely, I'm quite privileged to say that teachers nowadays have adapted to this change so quickly that that majority, it's not that all are young generation. There are some teachers in many of the institutions who were not used to this kind of the technology, but I'm glad to tell you that every teacher has adopted this technology so quickly. And I'm honored to say that this all education system, if it is working smoothly today, it is all because of the teachers, because of the efforts of the teacher, because 24/7 they are working. They are not only working with kids only, they are working with their parents also. Earlier they used to deliver lecture in classroom and they had to reach up to the level of the student only, but now in virtual classrooms it is all parent, all family listening to them, what they are catering. ठीक है, उनकी needs को भी fulfill करना पड़ता है, what they want, then they have to listen to the parents. They are very, I'm quite happy to tell you that teachers are so adaptable. they are so you can say ऐसे receive करती हैं उनकी जितनी भी whatever the things parents suggest, they are doing it. And all this system जो ये काम चल रहा है, it is all because of the teachers nowadays are playing multiple roles, because it is not only one role they have to play, that they are teachers. Teachers are parents also, teachers are wives also, teachers are husbands also. तो ये सब
They
कुछ
have to
keeping
look after
everything
their families
aside,
also.
all other
Yes.
duties aside, and now they are wholly and solely involved in the benefit of the child. So teachers are doing marvelous, wonderful job they are doing,
Yes.
no doubt, in irrespective of the lot of burden which they are facing, but still
Okay.
they never let the things to go in vain. कर रही हैं, प्रयास कर रही हैं, बहुत ज्यादा प्रयास कर रही हैं. एंड ये है कि प्रेशर काफी ज्यादा है टीचर्स पे, बहुत ज्यादा प्रेशर है जो अभी
Obviously.
चल रहा, बिकॉज
So,
examination conduction, this is altogether new thing, which is now
and they are
online Zoom
conducting
classes.
exams and everything. So
Everything is going
we
on, ma'am.
salute the teachers.
Yes, salute, big
Yes.
salute all teachers. Definitely, ma'am.
Okay, at the end, I will just first of all I'll thank both of you to spare your valuable time and to encourage and throw some light on this topic and encourage our viewers also. At last, I will just finish with two lines that if we really change, our lives will be changed. A life well lived is respected the world over. Not
Over.
only do they make humanity proud, but they become the jewels of the humanity. If we really
Definitely.
change,
Exactly, ma'am. Exactly.
yeah, if we really change, we can be. Thank
Yes,
you.
and
Then, thank you. And
thank you,
to
ma'am.
our viewers, we will be back with you on Monday again with new show, new guest, and new topic.